Are you looking for natural ways to boost your sexual performance? In this video, we'll explore 9 delicious and natural drinks that can help enhance your libido and improve your overall sexual health. These drinks are packed with nutrients and aphrodisiac properties that can provide a natural boost in the bedroom. So, let's dive in and discover these fantastic natural Viagra drinks. Watermelon juice. Watermelon contains an amino acid called citrulline, which helps relax and dilate blood vessels, similar to Viagra. Watermelon is not only a delicious summer fruit, but it also contains an amino acid called citrulline, which has been shown to have a positive effect on sexual health. Citrulline promotes the production of nitric oxide in the body, which relaxes blood vessels and increases blood flow to various parts of the body, including the genital area. To prepare a refreshing watermelon juice, start by cutting a watermelon into chunks, removing the seeds if necessary. Add the watermelon chunks to a blender and blend until you achieve a smooth consistency. You can enjoy the watermelon juice as it is, or for an extra kick, you can add a squeeze of lime juice. Lime juice contains vitamin C, which helps support a healthy immune system and improve blood circulation. To enhance the flavor and provide additional health benefits, you can also add a handful of fresh mint leaves. Mint has been traditionally used to stimulate the senses and promote relaxation. Give it a gentle stir to combine all the flavors. And there you have it, a revitalizing watermelon elixir that may help improve blood flow and boost your sexual performance naturally. Cheers to a juicy and satisfying intimate life. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranates have been cherished for centuries for their numerous health benefits, including their potential to enhance sexual performance. They are rich in antioxidants and contain high levels of nitric oxide, which helps improve blood circulation and may have a positive impact on sexual function. To create this delightful pomegranate passion potion, start by cutting the pomegranate and extracting the seeds. You can also find pre-packaged pomegranate seeds in many grocery stores if you prefer a more convenient option. Add the fresh pomegranate seeds to a blender. To help blend the seeds, add a small amount of water. Blend the mixture until you achieve a smooth consistency. Now, strain the juice to remove any remaining pulp or seeds if desired. At this point, you can add a touch of honey to enhance the sweetness and provide additional benefits. Honey is believed to possess aphrodisiac properties and can help increase energy levels. Give it a good stir to combine the flavors, and there you have it, a tantalizing pomegranate passion potion that may help boost your sexual performance naturally. Get ready to add a vibrant and powerful natural Viagra drink to your list, the Beet Boost Juice. Beets are not only known for their intense color but also for their potential to improve blood flow and boost sexual performance. They contain nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body, helping to relax blood vessels and increase blood flow, a key factor in enhancing sexual function. To create this energizing Beet Boost juice, start by peeling and chopping fresh beets. Pass the beet pieces through a juicer to extract the juice. If you don't have a juicer, you can also blend the beets with a little water and strain the mixture to obtain the juice. Pour the vibrant beet juice into a glass. For a tangy twist and an extra dose of vitamin C, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. Lemon juice can further support healthy blood circulation and add a refreshing flavor. Give it a gentle stir to mix the flavors together. And there you have it, a vibrant and revitalizing Beet Boost juice that may help enhance your sexual performance naturally. Let's spice things up with our next natural Viagra drink, the ginger zing juice. Ginger has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, including its ability to improve blood circulation and stimulate the senses. It contains gingerol, a bioactive compound that may enhance sexual performance by increasing blood flow and boosting energy levels. To create this invigorating ginger zing juice, begin by peeling and chopping a piece of fresh ginger root. Feed the ginger pieces into a juicer to extract the juice. If you don't have a juicer, you can grate the ginger and then squeeze out the juice using a cheesecloth or strainer. Pour the ginger juice into a glass. Give it a stir to combine the flavors. To balance the strong flavor of ginger and add a touch of sweetness, you can add a teaspoon of honey. Mix it well until the honey is dissolved. And there you have it, a powerful and revitalizing ginger zing juice that may help enhance your sexual performance naturally. Banana shake. Bananas are not only a delicious and nutritious fruit, but they also contain several key nutrients that can benefit your sexual health. They are rich in potassium, which supports proper blood circulation and helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels, crucial for a strong and lasting erection. To prepare a revitalizing banana shake, simply peel and slice a couple of ripe bananas and place them in a blender. Add a cup of milk, whether it's dairy milk or a non-dairy alternative like almond or soy milk, to give your shake a creamy texture. Milk also provides a good source of protein, which is essential for the production of hormones that play a role in sexual desire and performance. It's time to introduce you to a supercharged natural Viagra drink, the Maca Power Smoothie. Maca is a powerful root native to the Andes Mountains of Peru. It is known for its potential to boost libido, improve fertility, and enhance sexual performance. Maca contains unique compounds that support hormonal balance and increase energy levels, making it a fantastic addition to your intimate life. To create this energizing Maca Power Smoothie, you'll need a few key ingredients. Start by adding 1 ripe banana to the blender. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which supports healthy blood circulation and may contribute to improved sexual performance. Next, add a tablespoon of maca powder. Maca is available in powder form and can be found in health food stores or online. It has a nutty flavor and is packed with essential nutrients that promote vitality and stamina. Pour in a cup of almond milk, or any other milk of your choice. Almond milk is a dairy-free alternative that adds creaminess and additional nutrients to the smoothie. For an extra dose of healthy fats and a richer texture, add a tablespoon of almond butter. Almonds are known to support hormone production and may enhance sexual desire. Blend all the ingredients until smooth and creamy. Pour the Maca Power Smoothie into a glass. And there you have it, a revitalizing and libido-boosting Maca Power Smoothie that may help enhance your sexual performance naturally. Get ready to discover the surprising benefits of tomato juice for your sexual health with our next natural Viagra drink, the Tomato Thrive Elixir. Tomatoes are not only a staple in many culinary dishes but also a powerhouse of nutrients that can have a positive impact on your sexual health. They are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that has been linked to improved blood flow and enhanced sexual function. To create this rejuvenating Tomato Thrive Elixir, you'll need fresh tomatoes and a few additional ingredients. Begin by chopping the fresh tomatoes into small pieces. Add the tomato pieces to a blender. For an extra tangy kick and a boost of vitamin C, squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. Vitamin C supports healthy blood vessels and circulation, which can benefit sexual health. Blend the mixture until you achieve a smooth consistency. Pour the tomato juice into a glass. To enhance the flavor and provide a subtle savory twist, add a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. Give it a gentle stir to mix the flavors together. For an added touch, you can garnish your Tomato Thrive Elixir with a celery stalk. Celery is rich in nutrients and can further contribute to sexual health. And there you have it, a revitalizing and libido-boosting Tomato Thrive Elixir that may help enhance your sexual performance naturally. Our next natural Viagra drink, the celery juice. Celery is a remarkable vegetable that holds a plethora of benefits for your intimate life. Not only is it low in calories, but it's also packed with nutrients that can boost your sexual health. Celery contains compounds, such as androstenone, that are believed to stimulate sexual arousal and desire. Let's dive into creating this tantalizing celery sensation elixir, designed to invigorate your senses and enhance your sexual performance. Pass the celery pieces through a juicer, extracting every drop of its revitalizing juice. If you don't have a juicer, you can also blend the celery with a little water and strain the mixture to obtain the juice. Pour the vibrant green celery juice into a glass, admiring its natural allure. To add a tangy twist and an extra burst of flavor, squeeze in some fresh lime juice. Lime juice can also contribute to a healthy blood flow, vital for optimal sexual function. Give it a gentle stir, allowing the flavors to harmonize, creating a delightful elixir. For an added kick and a touch of spice, sprinkle a pinch of cayenne pepper into the celery sensation elixir. Cayenne pepper is known to promote circulation and ignite your senses. And there you have it, the celery sensation elixir, an enticing blend that may help elevate your sexual performance naturally. Get ready to experience the power of nature's miracle plant with our next natural Viagra drink, the aloe vera euphoria juice. Aloe vera, with its gel-filled leaves, has been revered for centuries for its incredible healing properties. But did you know that it can also have a positive impact on your sexual performance? Aloe vera is packed with nutrients and bioactive compounds that promote blood circulation, support hormone balance, and enhance overall sexual vitality. Let's dive into creating this sensational aloe vera euphoria juice, designed to ignite your passion and revitalize your intimate life. Begin by carefully peeling the outer layer of the aloe vera leaf to reveal the clear gel within. Add the freshly scooped aloe vera gel to a blender. For a burst of citrusy flavor and an extra dose of vitamin C, add a splash of freshly squeezed orange juice. Vitamin C supports healthy blood flow and can contribute to improved sexual function. Blend the mixture until it becomes smooth and creamy. Pour the luscious aloe vera euphoria juice into a glass. To enhance the taste and add a touch of natural sweetness, drizzle in some honey. Honey is known for its aphrodisiac properties and can provide an energy boost. Give it a gentle stir, ensuring all the flavors are beautifully combined. For an added touch of freshness and visual appeal, garnish your aloe vera euphoria juice with a sprig of fresh mint. Mint has invigorating properties and can stimulate the senses. And there you have it, the aloe vera euphoria juice, a tantalizing juice that may help enhance your sexual performance naturally. Remember, while natural remedies can offer potential benefits, it's important to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or underlying health conditions. Thank you for joining us today and exploring the world of natural Viagra drinks to enhance your sexual performance. We hope you found these recipes intriguing and insightful. Thank you once again for being a part of our community. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in our future videos. Take care, stay healthy, and enjoy a fulfilling and vibrant intimate life.